Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can view your Beaver Cup build, um, completion certificate in Heartopia. So it's going to be different for everyone. If you win, it's different for you. My team didn't win, unfortunately, but we did get the completion commemoration certificate. It means we just contributed to it. So here, if you want to view your certificate, just press this button. It says Construction Beavers Approval. And these are the award-winning works in town, and then Franz's award-winning works. So I think this one is if you're friends with them, maybe. I'm not actually sure. But you'll see that there's these buildings have spotlight to it. So I'm guessing they have this kind of award. So this is the Detail Beaver's Choice. There's a few awards here. It says Spotlight Beaver's Choice, and then Detail Beaver's Choice, Spotlight Beaver's Choice. I don't know why some of it's different. Where is it? Oh, it's Heartstring Beaver's Choice. I don't know what these means, but you can view their certificates and stuff like that. And you can also visit their um town as well. I think I'm going to visit this one, but I feel like it's gonna lag a lot, so I'm not going to do it. We can also refresh it here, but it's pretty much the same, I guess. But yeah, that is how you can view your contest results for the Beaver Cup Build Challenge in Heartopia. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.